So good morning. Today I'm here with Lodestar Minerals with the ticker code LSR, an active West Australian base metal, lithium and gold explorer. To tell us more today, I'd like to introduce you to Managing Director, Ed Turner. Good morning, Ed.
Hi, Jane.
So Ed, with a diverse portfolio of assets, can you expand on both the company's JV along with Lodestar's 100% owned Irahidi project?
Sure. I'll start with the Irahidi project. That's our main focus now. It's quite a new project, a lot of new exploration licenses spread over about 1,300 square kilometres. It's about 200 kilometres north of Maluna, so right in the middle of Western Australia, very remote. But we're just kicking off exploration there. So our inaugural aircore program will be underway very soon. We've got electromagnetic targets and geochem targets, which are prospective for copper gold. And then we've also got over 80 kilometres of strike length of the Yelma formation and the Freya formation unconformity, which is prospective for zinc, lead and silver. And that's the same unconformity that Rumble Resources that's had a big discovery and proved up a 90 plus million tonne resource on the other side of the basin, a similar geological setting. Now, our main JV is a Kangaroo Hills joint venture with Future Battery Metals. We've made a very significant lithium discovery quite recently. Only 2 phases of drilling so far, but it looks like that has a very good chance of being an economic deposit in the short term.
Thanks, Ed. And just further to that then, so you've recently announced that ongoing target generative work has identified multiple large-scale LCT pegmatite targets. Can you tell us a little bit more about the program of work that you're expecting to complete over the project in the next coming months?
Yeah, sure. So far, the 2 phases of drilling have intersected quite a lot of mineralised pegmatite, so some really good, thick lithium intersections right near surface. But we know these pegmatites tend to occur in swarms, and they can be in funny orientations and things like that. So the drilling so far has only been focused on one pegmatite. Now, the recently announced results from the IP survey show resistivity anomalies, other resistivity anomalies within the project area that have yet to be drilled. So that's very exciting because often the geophysics doesn't really work with this style of mineralisation. So the planning for additional drilling of the other anomalies, and in addition to the large IP anomaly, which is now called the Big Red prospect, that's being planned. Some of the other assay results are still pending, so we haven't got all of them back yet. So that will also affect the future drill planning. But within that project area, basically, there's a lot more drilling coming up, as well as some more geophysics and geochem. Basically looking for more lithium deposits within the same project area.
And now to the Irahidi Basin. So there are other companies exploring around the northern boundary. Have they seen much base metal success there?
All the explorers are basically at the early stage of exploration on the northern side of the basin. So it's only been sort of relatively recently identified as being very prospective for base metals. So nobody has done much drilling or proved anything out on where we are. So we're probably as advanced as anyone else, just about to kick off our first round of drilling. So all of the areas very prospective, and it's tightly held by numerous companies, but we've got the largest land holding on the north side of the basin. So we're hopefully one step ahead of our competitors.
And just further to that then, so what should shareholders look forward to over the next 3 to 6 months?
Well, from the Irahidi, we'll have drill results, hopefully in the next 2 months. We've got a lot of soil geochem to do because it's been explored for iron ore previously, and there's quite a lot of iron ore out there, although it's a bit too far from the coast, so it's not like to be mined in the short term. It hasn't been properly explored for base metals. So we've got a huge area to cover with soil geochemistry. So that'll be ongoing over the next 6 months. but hopefully after our initial drilling program, we'll also have further drilling to follow up that. And we're only testing our first 7 targets for the copper gold targets. And hopefully we're planning lots more drilling for the other anomalies which we expect to get. And then, of course, with Kangaroo Hills, there's going to be just ongoing news flow from lots more drilling there. So, yeah, that hopefully will lead to resource definition drilling before the end of the year. So it's potentially to do that, yeah.
Brilliant. Well, exciting times ahead, and we look forward to further updates. But thanks for joining me.
Thanks, Jane.